Did you know that there are other uses of toxin placement? And being a dentist, I see a lot of patients coming to see me for clenching and grinding of the teeth. So if I can ask my patient here, Becky, just to clench teeth, and she's got these bulging masseter muscles, relax it down. Treatment of this masseter muscle is just basically, we put some toxin deep into the muscle and superficially, it relaxes the muscle down, reduce the clenching, sort of like force, reduces also the chance of getting headaches and migraines. So clench for me. And essentially, everyone, it's just muscle relax now. It's just an injection deep into the muscle, usually about 3 to 4 injections on each side, and takes 5 to 6 weeks to get the finished results.